What are airborne ultrafine particles? Ultrafine particles are tiny particles which their size is less than 100 nanometers. They are a class of particulate matter, and also particulate matter is a form of air pollution. So what are the sources of air pollution? We have outdoor sources of air pollution, which are industries and transportation. Also, we have indoor sources of air pollution, which is emissions from cooking, heating, that mostly happens in low and middle income countries or in developing countries, and also environmental tobacco and cigarette smoke. So to give you a sense of size of the particulate matters, here, so we can imagine how tiny is human hair, which its diameter is about or less than 100 micrometer, and or a beach sand that we enjoy walking on them. The size of a beach sand is about 90 micrometer. So when it comes to particulate matter, their size is about 10 times smaller. The biggest one, which is PM10, because of its size, that is 10 micrometer, and we call them coarse particles. And then the smaller particles are fine particles, which their size is about 2.5 micrometer. And finally, we have ultrafine particles, which their size is less than 100 nanometers, or 0.1 micrometer. So now that we know what is particulate matter and what are different classes of particulate matters, as we know, PM10, PM2.5, and PM01. Now here we want to see how they are deposited in our respiratory system. The larger particles, PM10, they will be trapped in the upper airways, so mostly in nasopharyngeal or trachea regions. The fine particles, they can reach the bronchial region, and sometimes even they can also reach in the lower doses, they can reach alveoli. And finally, we have ultrafine particles. Because of their tiny size, they can travel deep into the lungs and reaching the alveoli, and from the alveoli they can translocate into blood circulation. And actually, the health effects of particles depends on their size, which we will discuss it in the next videos. Thanks.